Oh, yeah? You're so cute, little Miss Hayden Michelle Jonathan. You're 3 months and 3 weeks old today. 3 months and 3 weeks. Pretty soon you're gonna be 4 months. What do you think about that? Do you have any comments on that? Not at this time? We'll get back to you on it, okay? You're cute as ever.